Hello everyone, this is to tell you how to create and access env value in Node.js. Yeah, let's start. So in my case, I already created a Node.js project. If you don't know how to do that, see this video and then continue this. Okay. For this, you need to install this package. So install this .env. Okay. And I'm going to create the env file .env and name. I'm going to give name as coding comics and save this file, and I'm going to access that. So that I need to import that .env, require .env, and this is config, so we need to add a config. After that, const data. Here I'm going to access that value, env value. Okay, .env dot this name, copy that and paste it here. After that, I'm going to console that data. Okay, save this. I'm going to run this project. I'm going to run npm start start. If you didn't configure nodemon, see this video. If you don't want to configure, just run node space this file name. Okay, so here if I click enter, see this coding comics is printed here, this console. This is how you can access a env value. Also, if you creating env file when this project is running, this won't listen this env because these are all config files, so after creating this env file, we need to stop and then run the project, then only we can able to access it. Yep, bye bye.